While walking along Agadir Beach, I stumbled upon these mysterious, jelly-like creatures washed up on the sand. At first glance, they look like transparent glass discs, but they are actually a fascinating species called the moon jellyfish. Look closely at these 4 purple rings in the center. These are actually the jellyfish's reproductive organs, which give them this unique, cosmic appearance. I placed my foot nearby just to show you the scale. Some of them are quite large. Even though they look beautiful and armless, a quick reminder for everyone: never touch them with your bare hands. Even when washed ashore, they can still cause a painful sting. Nature always has its secrets, and today, Agadir Beach shared one of its wonders with us. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next discovery.